Right guys, I'm Hello from the Sausage with Harvey and we have a tamper coming. Or network whatever. This is what I think it's for. Okay, we wait for 6J30 network well tamper service to Norman Bay. With a bit of help from Andrew Washington Joe Fort to helping me find this train. I knew it was coming again because I saw it. If you remember, I saw this yesterday, but the closure wasn't very good, so we're back down here for it again. I've got a train coming from the left. Could have a double pass then. Unless this is the 5452 service running to Selhurst. The bright LED shining off the pepper crossing. Second time I've been down there at night, third time I've been down there at night, and I have to say it's rather bright. You can see the tap one going down onto the road. Oh, we have some coming from this way. It would be a miracle if I can make the numbers. And then when I came down here to go and see a truck lean train, I couldn't even bloody see the numbers of the train. This is 171. I don't know what it's. Hey, right, right up here. How hard to get up here? Yes, this is 171. Going to not insert. Oh, empty to depot. Did not see the numbers of that, I'm afraid. Got one from 177, Mark the first train. Up they go, I'm going to keep calling because of the place for that. Actually, thank God for the video.